we got more Feederbrook yarn in.
We did.
Only,
And you know
guess
how
what?
much?
We got new colors.
We do. Do we know which box the new colors
No,
are
I
in?
don't know.
Oh, we're going to have to open all of it.
Of course.
Darn.
But at least you didn't open them before I got here.
I did. Yeah, over the weekend I opened something that was supposed to not be opened.
Because I like to see it too first.
Yeah, we like to share the first glimpse. It's the little things, right? Yeah.
Little things.
All right. So we're not sure if this is new colors or... But you know, even when it's not the new colors, it's always the new colors because they're a little
Different.
They're a little bit different every time. And every skein of Feederbrook is unique. So we've even had people email to say, I want that particular skein. Okay, these are the Restock.
Well, you gotta look.
Some of them are. Yeah, I know. Okay, there is a new
color in here yet.
There's 2 of them. So there are 6 colors in this box.
Okay, this we originally had.
This is Isotope.
Yeah.
Okay. Isotope.
Isotope.
And we have 6 of those. We get these in such small batches. Ooh, that came out nice this time. This is refraction?
Yeah.
Are we sure?
No, I'm not sure.
Yeah, this is refraction.
I'm never sure.
Refraction, which is a blue-green colors.
Thermal expansion.
Thermal expansion is the woodsy.
Oh, I'm getting excited for the next one.
So that's thermal expansion.
Oh, wait till you see this.
Oh, wow. Look at this. So this one is Flashpoint.
Oh, look.
Oh, these are these really are different from each other too. So there's a big range in this Flashpoint.
Look at all the colors in there. Wow.
So this is a real multi.
Oh, here we go.
That would be fun in a that would be great in a wavy pattern. Stripes. Ooh. That's
Look
cool.
at that.
Look at that. This is Symbiosis.
Wow.
Oh, we might have a couple purple fans among our fans.
Followers.
Look at that, you guys. It's like candy.
Wow. And more dark energy.
And then dark energy. So now we have
too. Look, that's more.
Yeah, so now we have 6. Oh, that's earthy.
Yeah.
That's really pretty. This came out really plummy and dark this time. So if you've been waiting for like a black, green, and plum combination, like I said, it's all new again. Well, then,
these are the.
What could be in here? Is this
Those are the secret ones.
Oh, okay. I think we're just gonna have to remove this.
Sorry. We like secrets.
This is a secret yarn.
Pretend you didn't see it.
Yeah, you didn't see the box.
Yeah. I like this.
We'll be getting this up on the website ASAP. And we need, although Tommy, you have to make you have to make some pictures of this for everybody. So that we can make listings for the new colors.
And it goes quick, so.
Yeah.
Good. All right.
I'm seeing
happy shopping.
I'm seeing Easter baskets here.
Oh, you know, that would be cute. I like this one, though, the best.
All right, Feederbrook Farm, back in stock. Get yourself over to the website.